Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Katie. I'm a mom to 3 boys and I am here to share all of my motherhood tips and tricks with you all. Today we are going to be looking at how to make these super easy paper airplanes. Being in a house with all boys, this has become a daily occurrence. So let me show you how easy they are to make. Start with an 8.5 by 11 piece of printer paper. Start with the paper in landscape and fold the top edge all the way to the bottom and make a nice crisp crease. Next, fold one of the flap corners down to the folded line. Flip the paper over and do the same thing to the other side. Now fold the top edge so that it's even with the bottom fold line. This part got to be a little tricky for my 4-year-old, so this is where I help out my kids. Flip it over and repeat this step on the second side. Time for the last step. Fold one more time the top down to the bottom fold line. This part can get a little tricky, so take your time to make sure to get everything nicely lined up. Repeat this final step on side 2. Ta-da! That's it! That's how to make a paper airplane. Now let's go fly it. And if you want to keep your kids busy even longer, ask them to get out some markers and crayons and decorate their planes. We like to have a competition to see who can fly theirs the furthest or who can get theirs to corkscrew. I hope you enjoyed this video and you go try it with your own kids. If you did, give me some love by liking this video below, and if you want to catch up on some of my other videos and stay up to date on when I post new ones, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Remember, everyone burns their first pancake, so just keep flipping.